Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. This is your bonus love reading for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. And I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, now it's good. So I have already uploaded your main reading, and I have already uploaded your extended love reading. You can have a look on that too. With your today's reading, what message I was having here, today's reading, from your today's reading, okay, that was that you need your healing, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius are completing their healing, and some of Aquarius are requiring more healing, okay, because there is a five of cup energy here again. Today's reading, you are more focusing on the past wounds, past hurts, and you have to more focus in the forward direction. Let go and release all those which you need to release as soon as possible, because there is a twin flame, a soulmate, which is waiting for you. Okay, so you need to let go of all those who don't serve you at all. Okay, and there is a tower movement which is happening for you. Some unexpected changes are coming for you, because this is the divine intervention. Divine is intervening in your situation, and they are intervening because so that you can make necessary changes which are required for your life. Okay, so that was the message which I was getting for you, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so that you can get all the messages which are important for you, Aquarius. So let's start your bonus love messages and see what bonus love messages and bonus love reading, and let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, give me the messages which are important for my lovely Aquarius. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having dragonfly. Live life to your fullest. That's right, enjoy your present, Aquarius. Enjoy your present, and live your life to your fullest. And see, that's why I told you that you need to do, you have to let go, and that's the message I'm getting again. Letting go. Learn to let go, Aquarius. You need to learn how to let go. Okay, so there is a message again which I'm getting for you. Learn to let go. Then there is owl. Follow your intuitions, because you're getting more intuitive than before. Your kundali is getting awakening. Some of you Aquarius are getting more spiritual. Okay, you're getting more spiritual. Awakening is happening. You're getting your inner wisdom. Your intuitions are getting more open. Your third eye chakra is getting open up. So use your intuitions. Your intuitions will guide properly. Then there is children. Know that your children are protected. Some of you Aquarius are mothers or father. So if you are having kids, then there is a message for you that your children are protected. You do not have to worry at all. And this is also inner child, because your inner child is protected. Your children are protected. That's the message which I am getting for you from these cards. So you need to let go. Again, this message has come for you. Thank you so much, Mr. Wisdom Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. See, I just cut it out and I had the tower card. So yes, tower card is here again. So tower is happening. Divine is intervening in your situation, because you're going to convert into beautiful. This is a transformation period. You're going to become a more like a flower. Okay, more abundant, more blossoming like a flower, more beautiful, more intuitive. That's the message I'm getting for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Right, the Fool card is here. You need to take a leap of faith. Just you have to go with the flow. Going with the flow is here. Okay, the first card for you is the Fool. You need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, just go with the flow. Just go with the flow and take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction without thinking that what will happen and what will, if it is going to happen like that or not. No, don't think at all. Don't create that energies for yourself. Go outside. Why I'm saying go outside? Because there is an isolation here. Okay, isolation, that means some of your Aquarius are um, requiring more healing. That's why I told you. And sometimes Aquarius crying helps you out in healing. So if you are feeling like you have to cry, so cry out. You need to cry and heal yourself. Let the tears get out and let go of those things which you need to release, which you need to let go as soon as possible. Because some of you Aquarius has to, can you see, wants to cry but they are unable to cry. So crying is not a bad thing. You can cry. Then there is consciousness here. You're getting more. That's why I told you that you're getting more active on your conscious level. See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having letting go. Okay, the today's message is very clear that you have to let go of those things, those relationship, those persons which don't you serve your highest good, Aquarius. If they are yours, they will come back to you. Okay, if they are meant in your life, they will come back to you. So let go. Don't hold back. Don't hold them too tightly and think that no, I do not want to let go. Let go. And if it's not about the person, so let go of any emotions which you are carrying on. Okay, let go of the past hurts, any past situation or condition or anything which you are carrying on very tightly. You have to let go everything, that thing. Okay, then there is integration here. Can you see there is a yin and yang symbol here? So yes, interrogation is going on inside of you. You have to see that whether your divine and masculine energies are balanced or not. See, you need to keep your patience again. Understanding is here. Okay, you need to understand and don't judge any other person. And there is one more message from this card is that universe understands that you are here. Okay, you are not alone at all. Okay, and understand, Aquarius, there is a help which is there for you. There is a lot of help which is coming towards you. You just need to seek. Okay, just need to seek here. And there is a Tower card here again. So yes, Tower is happening. Some unexpected changes are coming for you and for your betterment. Okay, that's happening because that is so that you can make necessary changes. When you don't change your life, divine has to intervene in your situations, because divine can't see you keep crying and keep in focusing on those things which are not for your highest good. And after that Tower, you will convert into this flowering moment. Can you see here? Again, the Flower card is here. You will get more mature. Maturity is coming for you after this. You just need to keep your courage, Aquarius. You need to keep your courage. And there is inner child, healing of your inner child. Can you see this, how this child is locked here, and there are colorful light which is there outside. Okay, so you need to heal your inner child. Some of you Aquarius are requiring healing your inner child, and you need to keep your courage. Keep your courage with yourself, because the success is coming towards you. Can you see there is a success here that is definitely coming towards you? You have to keep your courage, your strength. Okay, keep going, Aquarius. You need to keep your patience. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. See, the Chariot has come again here. Move in a forward direction. Luck is on your side. Okay, divine is here. You are not alone. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Too many messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Okay. Wow. I need to show you this first. Okay, death and birth. Death and birth. Something is ending in your life. 1111 was the recording reading time. Old things are getting end so that new things can take place. Birth is here, death and birth, and that's the judgment which is taking place here. The judgment is here. Okay, and bottom of the deck again I'm having the Chariot. Move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Time of natural transition and transformation. Transformation and transition is taking place, and universal energy is bringing you opportunities and possibilities. Okay, you're getting transformed. Transformation period is happening for you, and that's the judgment which is being made in your case by the divine. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. There is mountain. First card is mountain. Know that you are protected as you face challenges, but remain cautious. Okay, you are protected. Do not worry at all. Then there is unity. A time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. Beautiful. There is loin. Harness the loyal and protective aura of the loin and charge ahead magnificently. Can you see there are two cards which are saying you that move in a forward direction. There is a loin spirit here which is trying to support you. There is a protective aura which is there. Can you see here also there is a protective message that you are protected, and here there is a loin which is saying that your aura is protected by the loin. Okay, you do have to move in a forward direction. Move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Move in a forward direction and charge ahead. World and Phoenix. See, the world card is here. You're completing a cycle. I get world card in every deck. Today's reading, you can have a look on that too. Be prepared to renewed after a period of crisis. Okay, be prepared to be renewed, Aquarius, because things are getting renewed in your life. Because here I am having death and birth again. Birth and death again. Okay, so here it is the Phoenix, and there is world card. Be open to new possibilities in all area of your life. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see one more time. Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Marriage, and you are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Fool card again from this deck too. Aquarius, take a leap of faith. The Fool and the Fool. From both of the deck, I'm having the Fool and the Fool. Okay. Move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith. Some of you Aquarius are getting marriage proposals, or you're getting married. You're attracting unconditional love and emotional fulfillment. You're getting your marriage proposal. You need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, thank you so much for reading deck. Wow. 1441 was the recording reading time. Yin and Yang. For giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck, the World card. You're completing a karmic cycle, Aquarius. You're completing a karmic cycle. Let's see, there are, the old cycles are closing out and new cycles are getting started. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages which are important for my lovely Aquarius. The thinking woman. You're thinking and contemplating a lot in your life. This is thinking woman here. Then there is fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Okay, your third chakra is getting activated. Now you can communicate clearly. You can say your truth. You can say your things. Okay, your fifth chakra is getting activated. Your third chakra is getting activated. Archangel Gabriel is here to help you out. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the victory. You're getting your victory. Okay, and Aquarius. Okay, I'll show you. Yin and yang. Yin and yang again. Your divine counterpart is here. Okay, your yin and yang is here. I love it, Aquarius. Congratulations for your reconciliation, for meeting your twin flame, your divine counterpart. But I can see here that you are going to get reconciliation. The storm warning, the magician, and rest and rejuvenate. Okay, so what is the storm warning? You're manifesting something. Again, the magician is here. You're manifesting something, Aquarius, and you have to do your rest and rejuvenate. Four of Swords energy. Rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, and that's very good. You need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Do your healing. What is storm warning? Clarify me, storm warning. Beautiful, storm warning is there. This is the positive card, not a negative card. That's why I want to clarify it, that what is the storm warning, whether it is a good storm warning or whether it is a bad storm warning. But this is very good storm warning. And can you see there is a 10 here, there is a completion here. Okay, and what is it? The temple path. You are choosing your meditation, you're choosing your inner work, you're choosing the temple path. And while you choose your temple path, you're keeping your strength with you. You're keeping your strength with you, and that's very beautiful. Can you see there is a lot of angels which are supporting you? There is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, which is opening up. Lots of yellow light is here, lots of light which is coming for you. And there is a woman which is holding your heart. There is an offer which is coming for you, Aquarius. Woman holding a heart. Your third chakra is getting opening up, activated. Can you see number synchronicities? 2, 2 and 1, 8, 1, 8 was the recording reading time. 2, 2 and 4, 4. In bottom of the deck, I'm having cornucopia 11, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4. Maybe some of you Aquarius are seeing the number synchronicities. That can be a possibility. And cornucopia is the best fortune coming your way. Okay, abundance of everything, abundance of love, abundance of money. There is a woman who wants to share their heart to you. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Beautiful messages to you, Aquarius. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. See life energy. Let's see. Let's add 1 or 2 cards from the Oracle of Fairies. What are the messages from the fairies? Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Let me see what are the... Okay, I told you go outside. Okay, see, go outside. Go outside and have some time with the nature, Aquarius. Inspiration. Be prepared, as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call any at time. Inspiration is here. Okay, beautiful message. Then there is protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. So you need to protect your dreams. Do not release them. Do not tell them, because they are very safe in your own heart. So protect your dreams. And this is very beautiful message for you, Aquarius. Celebration. Get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out to the dance and play. An invitation could be on the way. Some of you Aquarius, you are getting your invitation, because here I was having the yin and yang. Can you see? Here is a message of your invitation could be on your way. And let me know in the comment section if you get your invitation from your divine counterpart. Open your hair and enjoy. Time to go out and dance and play. An invitation can be on your way. Beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Oracle of Fairies, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay, let's add one message from your healing mantra. These are the message for those who are requiring healing, Aquarius. This you can apply on everyone. Okay, all of you Aquarius can take these messages, but if you are not completely healed, so I'm adding some healing mantra so that you can take this healing mantra and heal yourself. So let me tell you what is the healing mantra for my lovely Aquarius. Please give me the healing mantra for Aquarius, which is required for them for healing. Give me the healing mantra for Aquarius. Too many healing mantras. Okay. Awakening inspired action. I don't know whether it's clear or not. There is only what life is asking for you. Okay. Awakening inspired action. As I told you, your Kundalini awakening is happening around you, Aquarius. So you have to take care of yourself. There is only what life is asking you to do. Okay. Then there is balancing the brain. You need to balance your brain. I can be and do all at once. Okay, you need to balance. Can you see here? There is a balance here. Mind, body and spirit. There is a 3 circles here. You need to balance your brain. Some of you have to balance your thoughts. Basically, you are more indulged in your mind thoughts. Then there is soothing impatience. There is nothing to do but wait. Okay, you need to wait. That's why there was a patience card. So there is nothing you can do, but you can wait. You can have a patience. That's the healing mantra I can give you, Aquarius. Then there is activating the third eye. I'm willing to see beyond my beliefs, ideas and confusions. Okay, that's why I told you your third eye activation is happening. If it is not happening, you have to activate your third eye. You have to do your healing, and you are willing to see beyond any beliefs, ideas and conclusions. So you activating the third eye is an healing mantra for you. Then there is untangling the neglect. I take my time and give myself all approval I desire, and that's true. You do not need anyone else approval. Okay, I take the time to give myself all the approval I desire. That's the healing mantra which I need to take. Untangling neglect. You have to take all the time for yourself. Give yourself time, Aquarius, and you do not need any approval from anyone else. Okay, you need approval for yourself, from yourself only. Do not seek any other one so that person will give you approval. No, you have to give yourself approval. Okay, then there is grounding my energy. It is safe to be in my body. You need to ground your energy, Aquarius. You need to ground my energy as you are getting more sensitive, I can say that, as you are getting more intuitive, as the transformation is taking place, it is the safe to be in my body. Okay, so ground your energy, that's the messages for you. Then there is demystifying the darkness. My shadow shows me where my love needs to send. Okay, your shadow self wants to tell you that where your love needs to send. Very important message, Aquarius. Okay, ask your shadow self will tell you where your love needs to send. Okay, you know where, which, on which you has to work, basically on which you have to love. If you are having pain here, you can feel, sorry, excuse me, if you're having a pain in your hand, you can touch it and you can feel it. If you're not touching it, then also you can feel it, that there is a pain here. That means that you can love this hand more, heal your hand more, so that the pain can go from your hand. Okay, so you know that where your love is requiring in your own self. Okay, then bottom of the deck I was having anchoring the light. The light is always within me, and that's right, the light is always there within you, Aquarius. You are a source of light. Light is there, light is, you have, there is no soul on this planet earth that has no light. Okay, everyone is having light within your own self. Okay, that is the message from this healing mantra deck. I hope this healing mantra deck will help you out in some manner. Okay, so thank you so much, healing mantra deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what is the messages from the native spirit, and I'm going to close your reading here. Okay, let's add one or two messages from the native spirit for giving the beautiful messages. Okay, so by shuffling also I was getting the spirit of water, freedom house, freedom horse. Okay, freedom horse, spirit of water, and there is offerings. Let me read it out for you. Let your spirit fly, do not hold back. Break free and express yourself. Flaunt your stuff, dance, laugh, explore, and go beyond predictable behavior. Get out of the rut. You do not need to fit the mold. Be daring. Fling your arms to the heavens in joy. Okay, let your spirit fly, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting for you. Okay, then there is spirit of water. Trust your intuitions. Know that you are on a right path. Take time to nurture yourself. Allow your inner child free. Believe in your dreams. Don't stifle your emotions. Trust the messages they are giving you. Okay, purify and cleanse yourself and your home. Healing is on its way. Emotional healing is expanding within you. Beautiful messages from you, for you, Aquarius. Trust, healing is coming towards you. Okay, trust your intuitions. Then there is offerings. The universe is grateful for you. You are a gift to the world. You are a gift to the world, Aquarius. Okay, feel gratitude for everything in your life, even the things that don't seem perfect. Appreciation for everything flows through you in a great bounty. Cherish and preciousness of life and everyone and everything around you, and thus you will be cherished. Okay, make an offering to whatever nurtures your soul. If you're nurtured by a particular place in nature, go there and spend some time. Beautiful messages for you. So these are the messages for you from this deck of Native Spirit. Thank you so much, Native Spirit, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was the bonus love reading and some messages and healing mantra for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. I hope it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light, and energy and healing to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to tell me anything, you can comment in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out. Okay, so see you soon, Aquarius.